Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add music on Canva video. So to get started, make sure you have installed Canva application on your mobile phone. So once it's done, open up your Canva application. Now once you open it, you will be appear with the home page of Canva. So your home page will look somewhat like this. Now go ahead and select the video which is appear next to the social media on the top of the screen. Now here you can select any template or video. So for instance, I've selected this. Now once you selected the video, on the bottom left corner there is a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on the elements. Now scroll all the way down until you see the option called audio. Now go ahead and tap on see all and search for the audio or music that you want to add on the video. Now once you select the music of your choice, you can add it on your video and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can add music on your Canva video. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.